Hi, was Samanath. So today Bank Nifty made a very new all-time high, 59,000. So a remarkable achievement, we can say that. Similarly, all the caps, including Nifty and all, positively closed. Every detail we will see. Similarly, and also we will see 3 IPO stock ready to list today. So tomorrow 2 stock, and day after tomorrow 1 stock is ready to list. So those details and all we will see. So everything will see one by one. So before that disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I'm speaking here for education purpose, just sharing my views. So always a good trader or investor have to do their own study and analysis and have to take their own decision. With this understanding, we'll proceed. Before that, a request: please do subscribe and like, and also please do share the link to other WhatsApp group. So, in case you may not feel that this video will be useful to you, but it will be helpful to others, so please do share also. Okay. So first we will see the IPO details. So there are 3 IPOs ready to list tomorrow. 2 IPOs. One is MV Photovoltaic Power and Physics Pala. This 2 IPO stocks are listing tomorrow, and Techno Clean Air is listing on day after tomorrow. So about the company details. Yeah. So Techno Clean Air India. So this is in the automotive sector. If you see, they are manufacturing auto emission control system and related components. So one of the main what to say, hot industry, we can say that, evergreen industry. This stock is falling in that, but as well as if you see, the subscription is very good. 58x subscription has come, especially from the QAB 166 times, and non-institutional investors 40 times, and retail investors at 5 times subscription has come. So very good subscription. Let me see how it get listing performance, we will see. Right. The next one is MV Photovoltaic Power. This is in the renewable energy, especially they are in the solar module manufacturer and EPC solution provider. The notable thing is the subscription is not even 1x. From the QAB, it touched 1x, and the retail investors like you and me, it touched 1.1x. But non-institutional investors showed very poor performance. So if you see the overall subscription, not even touched 1x. So this is one notable point in this stock. Then Physics Wala, they are into education technology company of offering affordable learning solutions. So we can say that it's in the educational segment it's operating. If you see the subscription, QAB 2.70, and the non-institutional investors like previous stock showed a poor subscription. From the retail investors, a 1.0x subscription. So overall it is 1.8 x subscription has come. So once this is listed, we will see the listing performance and all. Okay. About the market today. So Nifty 103 point positively closed. So it's almost in the positive side throughout the day. It didn't go in the negative side much. If you see the large cap, it is 111 point, mid cap 151 points, small cap 116 point, micro cap 140 point. So all the caps are positively closed. So relatively, India VIX minus 1.26 percentage negatively closed. That is at 11.79. And bank, especially in the Bank Nifty, so it touched a very new all-time high, 59,000. So today 445 point, it is positively closed. Similarly, Nifty IT 73 point positively closed. At the opening of the market, it was in the negative for some time, then it turned into the positive. Then it's about sectoral. So if you see every sector in the positive, so there is, we couldn't able to see any single red sector. So everything in the green, evergreen, all green, we can say that. So the highest positive closure is Nifty auto sector 0.85 percentage, and consumer durable 0.83 percentage. So rest and all quite near flat positive, we can say that. Now we will see the overall market direction and trend. So about Nifty, so I keep on saying that there is no negativity. We are able to see good optimism. So though the momentum is quite less, but it's steadily progressing in the higher side. So the last swing high is 26,100. So it is very much close to that. Just another 100 point to that previous swing high. So it will act as a resistance. First, what is a first level of resistance, we can say that. But there should not be any profit booking. If the none of profit booking doesn't happen, then the new all time high, not new all time high, the previous all time high 26,000 around 250, it will definitely reach. There are high possibilities are there. The because is two sector. One is bank nifty. If you see the bank nifty, it is already at the all time high, and it's a very good positive momentum. So this is the highest weightage sector in Nifty. So this definitely give a very good support for the Nifty to test the all-time high. Then Nifty IT. So though we couldn't able to see any momentum, but there is no negativity. There are high possibility it gain the momentum in the higher side. So the immediate resistance is the previous swing high. Twice it has touched 37,000. So there is a profit booking happen now. But I hope this time there won't be any profit booking. Investors allowed to progress further. That's what the expectation and conclusion that we see. If that breaks, the next resistance would be 39,000. So if it travels towards 39,000, definitely Nifty will cross all time high. This is the second highest weightage sector in the Nifty. Then mid and small 400. This is one of the reliable index for me. This is mid cap 150, small cap 250, collectively the single index, mid and small 400. So this give a very good market perspective and reliable index. So this is today close to 20,553. The resistance is 20,600. So very much close to the resistance. If you see the multiple time it touched 2,600. By this time, if it breakout, there we can see a huge positive momentum in the higher side. In turn, that obviously give the positive sentiment in the market. So that leads to Nifty in the higher side. So if you see the overall market, our Indian market, we couldn't able to find any negativity, but some positivity able to see in only in the technically. But there is a fundamentally there is no positivity except the Bihar election. But already we predicted that though the NDA win also, it doesn't make largely help to the Nifty progress, market progress, because that is already discounted in the market. So the any new news comes, only that fundamentally drive the market. Otherwise, only the technical optimism only we able to see. Okay, so then we will see US market, the big brother. So there is heavy profit booking last two session. I think today it will turn on the positive side. Presently the Dow, wherever now it is in the around 47,000 region, this acts as a minor support. So if it breaks, then 45,000 would be the major support. I hope this won't break. Let me see today. Similarly, if you see the S&P 500, that is near support. I hope this also won't be a break, because last session we can able to see some bullishness. Similarly, in the NASDAQ Composite Index also, there is no negativity happened in the last weekend. So yes, we can expect that today and subsequent day it travel in the higher side. So obviously that in turn helps to our market also. If you see the overall our Indian market, US market, and globally there is no negativity. So that itself is a very positive thing, we can say that. So there is higher chances that market will progress in the higher side. The same thing I mentioned in my last video. Saturday I made it a glance of world market. If at all, if you have not seen that video, please have a look on that. You will get a very good perspective about the world market. Right now we will see the stocks. So usually you used to see F&O segment, the top two gainer for the day, and top two loser in the F&O segment. So likewise, in the gainer side, Hutco and Siemens we will see. In the losing side, Tata Motors, passenger vehicle, and Emphasis. So all these stock we will see one by one. first HUDCO. So this stock is traveling between 225 and 240 since September, we can say that. So it is consolidating in a narrow range. So today, though it has closed 5% positively, but still it is within the channel, we can say that. So multiple time we can able to see decisive pause, green candle and decisive red candle, but whatever it may be, it not broken in the other side. I hope this time it will broke in the higher side. It will make the breakout and travel in the higher side. If that happens, the resistance would be 280. Okay, so next we will see the next stock, that is Siemens. So Siemens, if you see since May, it's traveling in the very narrow range, 3000 and 3300. You can see a very big gap up, gap down. So it's not any negativity in the company. The thing is, they demerger the energy segment, the Siemens Energy India Limited. They demerger the energy segment are listed in a separate stock. So that is why this gap down, but there is no negativity in the any negative news in the company. So it is in the healthy condition. So I hope soon we can expect a breakout. If that happens, we can expect a very good progress, because after a long consolidation, with breakouts, we can expect a very good upper side momentum. I mean, whichever side it breaks, that side we can say a very good momentum traveling. Let me see. Then Tata Motors passenger vehicle. So this stock, it was since long time it was trading around 390 and 450. But today, if you see, it has had a very good gap down. Actually, it broke the breakdown the support. I hope this looks like a false breakout, because company very good company, and sometime it is like this has happened. So I hope this will be false and it will turn back to the channel. Let me see in the subsequent days. Similarly, emphasis. So if you see this also, since June on, it is it's trading between 2650 and 2950, just a narrow range of 300 rupees. It is keep on traveling. So today, though, it looks a very good I mean a big red candle, that is minus 3%. There is nothing to worry until unless it break down the support. So I hope you take the support at the break and turn back to the resistance side. Let me see. So if at all you are considering any of these four stocks, please do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. So with this, we'll wind up this video. Once again, please request, please do share in your WhatsApp group, so other also will get help, get benefited. See you next video. Until then, bye. Sorry.